where Muslim is more than 40%, 45%. I think it's evidently clear now.
Atikur Rahman Sahib, you know, we've been on many debates together where we've discussed intolerance, and there's an ecosystem in our country, you know, that at the drop of a hat tries intolerance. I want to know, where is that brigade today? They're not out on Jantar Mantar. I haven't seen anybody, you know, marching with a candle. There's no outrage on what has been said there in Farrukhabad. Vote jihad is one thing. The other is a boycott threat. हुक्का पानी बंद कर दो का क्या मतलब है? ये कौन सी क्रांति है?
So Pranesh, you should explain to the people then that Congress Mukh Bharat kya ostracization nahi tha? Was that not boycotting the entire party? The entire party, which is a recognized political party by the Election Commission of India, which is recognized by the law of India, calling for a Congress Mukh Bharat, is that not ostracization? Now, calling for a jihad against low voter turnout, you mean to say that you are misguiding the people by the word jihad? It's a struggle against anything which is negative in our society. And today the low voter turnout calls for a voter jihad, that come in large numbers and vote out a party which is a party of rapists.
No, Atikur Rahman, 1 minute. Sir, 1 minute. Atikur Rahman, sir, you know I have great regards for you. I just want to understand this. Are you justifying, you know, vote jihad by saying that, look, the voter turnout was low, tomorrow they will invoke Karbala, वो बोलेंगे सर तन से जुदा बाहर निकलो, voter turnout कम है. One has to draw a line, sir.
Yes. Against the enemies of the society, the predators of the society, the rapist element amongst the politicians. We need to call out a struggle against them.
It's as bad as saying
jihad is a struggle against anything negative in the society. Are you opposed to this?
Said, right?
Okay. Ostracize Muslims who vote for BJP. 1 minute. Ostracize Muslims who vote for BJP. अब इसका what would you Atikur Rahman sir, 1 minute sir, 1 minute, calm down Atikur Rahman sir, you know, calm down sir. The second part of the statement, Atikur Rahman sir, ostracize Muslims who vote for BJP. What is this?
Yeah, we will ostracize all those people who are with the rapist BJP politicians. Is it something bad, Pranesh? You should stand with us. We need to ostracize them. We need to eliminate them.
I can't believe it, you know, that Atikur Rahman.
What happened?